HighLevel Harris best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to show you the actionable steps to actually get started. Okay, some people have been asking me like, okay, what are the steps to do to actually get started with HighLevel, get an account. So I'm walk you through it right now. Okay, first things, before you get your 2-week free trial with HighLevel, I recommend getting an idea what HighLevel is with this first playlist here called Getting Started with HighLevel. Go through those videos, not all of them, but get semi-comfortable with it, then start the free trial. And then when you actually get your free trial, the reason I've made these playlists is because I broke everything down very nicely. So learn the websites, learn the CRM section, learn calendars, learn automations. Everything's just there nicely. Okay, so then once you're happy you want to start, you can sign through my affiliate link. I'd recommend signing up through an affiliate because you can go through either way. Sign up without an affiliate, it costs $240 a month. Sign up with an affiliate, it costs $240 a month. Plus you get a one-on-one support, my snapshots, and the rest of it. So you can come here and then click this link here. And then you'll come here and you can start your 14-day free trial. You can put anything here. I just put test, random name, an email. Then you can go for starter plan or the unlimited plan. Now, $297 comes to $240 a month, pounds in the UK. You can't go for the $97 plan, and the reason I say that, with the $97 plan, you can't white label the software as your own. You can't put your domains, you can't put your API domains, you can't put your logos on that software and resell it. You're also limited on the accounts you can make and some features you can't have as well. So the $297 plan is the one you should go for. You got the 14-day free trial, and don't make the newbie mistake of thinking in your 14 days you're gonna get a client. It was gonna take you 5 to 6 weeks to just learn the software. That's the reality of it. I'm not gonna sell you a dream. This isn't a quick thing. If you actually want to do this, then do it. Otherwise, don't, because you are going to need to invest £240 per month. When I first started, I had to work a weekend job to cover the bill. Everyone has different circumstances, so that's what I had to do. Maybe you have to do the same. If not, fine. But then you put your details in and then you start your 14-day free trial. And then if you sign through my link, you get all my affiliate bonuses. So if you do sign through my link, be sure to message me because I don't get notified when someone signs up. So once you let me know, you can contact me on TikTok or YouTube comments, whatever. Let me know that you signed up. Then I'll send you the Google Drive link for the affiliate perks. It looks something like this. So here's my 3-page affiliate perks. You got the calendar with me. You got my snapshots, which is basically my own account. I can copy everything in my account, my websites, my funnels, paste it and give it to you guys. So you can just change the logos out on my website and have everything pre-built for you, and you just change a few things. Just gives you a good head start going in. I'm not going to scroll down because I'm going to have to edit and hide all the links. Then once you've actually got the software, what the best way I say is to watch my videos and then follow along in HighLevel. It's pattern recognition. When you see what I'm doing and you follow along with your mouse, it creates memory links in your brain so you can learn much faster. And on YouTube, I don't think there's a better playlists out there because I've looked at everyone else's. I think I've organized it the best in terms of just breaking it down. Okay, so go through these videos and you can book one-on-one Zoom calls with me. I'll help you out, share your screen, etc. So that's essentially how you would want to get started. Although just make a video explain how to actually get started because people have been asking me it. And it's been like a reoccurring question. So I thought I'd make a video just in case there's anyone else thinking the same thing. So please like the video and yeah, helps me out.